Before installation, please confirm if the structure of your bike matches our wheel. The front fork opening requires about 10 cm. The socket groove opening requires about 1 cm. Use a plum blossom hex wrenches to remove the screws. The side of the outlet must be covered with a sponge pad. Place the disc brake pad with the lettering side up and align the 6 holes. Screw them to the appropriate position, but do not fully tighten them. Adjust the balance of the disc brake, and then lock the screws. Install the front wheel on the front fork. The brake disc is installed on the left side of the forward direction. The notch mark faces the handlebar. Placement of accessories on the side of the disc brake as shown in the figure. Here's the placement of accessories on the outlet side. Use hands to twist the anti-slip nut into the suitable position. Use a wrench to lock the anti-slip nut. Turn the wheel and check if the disc brakes are rubbing against the disc. If the wheel rub disc, it can be adjusted with hexagonal wrench. If you can't adjust these positions, ask for customer service help. Turn the wheel and check if the disc brakes are rubbing against the disc. Use a wrench to lock the anti-slip nut. Take out the rear rack screws. Install the rear rack battery on the pole and lock the latch. Pull out the rear rack wing. Use rear rack screws to install support frame. Adjust the support frame to a suitable position. Use a suitable card slot to fix the support frame. Use a hexagon wrench to tighten the screws. The brackets are installed in the same way on both sides. Install the extension buckles on both sides. Install the rear rack battery. Put the waterproof cap into the 9-core wire and fasten it on the nut. Align the 9-core wires at both ends arrow to arrow and fasten them to the horizontal bar. The installation is complete now. For the APP usage tutorial, please check the APP usage video on our channel.